Hi everyone. As we kick off our journey to Oz, I want to draw your attention to the weekly lesson outline. And what this is just an outline of how your lesson will flow each week on Sundays. You will receive pieces and parts to our Journey to Oz curriculum here. That is amazing. We've taken the pieces and parts that work for our specific spiritual center and put them into place. Each week it will kind of go down like this. You'll start with your lesson intention, which is located right here, first thing you see. And then it will move into either viewing the DVD on the piece of the Wizard of Oz that we're studying that week, or you'll be describing the story synopsis, which is also conveniently located in these lesson plans. At that point, then you're going to do the sharing questions, which are labeled the discussion questions from the weekly lesson plan. And remember, when we're doing our sharing, you're going to choose 3 or more questions to ask the group. You can do this in the form of a sharing circle, which works really well, using a talking piece, giving each student an opportunity to answer the same question. Of course, we allow them to pass. Or you can do a popcorn style discussion. This is where you ask the questions to the group, allowing anyone to freely answer. I think as a leader, you have to just kind of do what you feel comfortable with, considering the nature of your group that day. Next will be our 12 Powers Yoga. I know we generally kick off each creative lesson plan with 12 Powers Yoga. This time we're going to shake it up a little bit, and we're going to put it as the third element of our lesson each week. And in our 12 Powers Yoga, I want to remind you that it is all connected to Oz this time. So what will happen is you'll have 1 to 6 yoga poses that will be presented each week that connects our 12 powers to the metaphysics of Oz. For younger students, you might only choose 1 pose to present. Then comes our reflection. Our reflection is simply going to be back at that magic first page, our spiritual principle and purpose. And you may wish to choose a volunteer to read aloud the basic unity principles that align with the lesson. I think that works well. Secondly, you may encourage students to sit in love pose or lay down in release pose, close their eyes, notice their breathing while you share the ideas right here located in your lesson plan to teach and demonstrate. At the end of the reflection, we're going to invite students to say and repeat the affirmation aloud. Next, there'll be a creative element that will be right there and ready for you in the classroom. And then last, they will play at their mindfulness stations, which, reminding you, could be Legos, could be color sheets, could be drawing sheets. I will be talking more on the mindfulness stations as we change them up each week. So we're excited, and I hope this helps. We look forward to seeing you each week. Namaste.